Alright guys, so we got some progress on the 66 here. Got this all cut out and patched nice. Recreated that factory lip on there, got everything seam sealed. Everything in here's all buttoned up nice. Started to cut the floor out of the other side, but got to do the cab brace, and the bottom of the rocker is really bad, so we're gonna have to put that support back in. And then we got this bit of the rocker to do here in the front of it. Yeah, so that's kind of how we got her done here. Turning out pretty good. Just coming along little by little. This floor turned out pretty nice in here though. Alright, so we cut rocker out of another truck, welded it into this one. Just gonna weld a filler strip in here to tie it to the bottom of the floor, because both trucks were rusted there. And then tomorrow, probably gonna make that floors in it. So one little filler piece in here. Then we got a pan cut out for the floor and bent up already. So have to get on that tomorrow. Ba-da-ba